Hey guys, Mike from Tech Revolution, and today we're going to install the 2007 to 2018 JK rear ender fenders. So our first step is to take our vent and we're going to install it behind our inner fender. You're going to line up the holes and then you're going to use the bolts supplied to go ahead and get that in place. Tools needed for the job. You're going to want to get your nut-cert tool and also a 1/8 inch Allen. All right, our next step is to install our two nut-certs into the inside fender area. We're going to take these factory holes and we're just going to drill them out to fit our new nut-cert. All right, we got our nut-certs in, so now we can put our inner fender in. You might have to bend it a little bit to get it around your tire. Just go ahead and start your screws by hand. Once you've tightened your 4 screws, you can step back and admire installation.